Hello students, this is the video for class 6 science chapter 3 part 3. So jute से हम पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं वापस. Jute is a natural fiber. It is obtained from the stem of the jute plant called Patsan in India. It is mainly grown in West Bengal, Assam and Bihar. Jute एक नेचुरल फाइबर है जो एक पैटसन नाम का प्लांट होता है, उसकी स्टेम से मिलता है हमें. ठीक है, इंडिया में वेस्ट बंगाल, असम और बिहार में पाया जाता है. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द चीपेस्ट फाइबर. बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ता होता है ये. इट हैज़ लॉन्ग शाइनी एंड सॉफ्ट फाइबर्स. इसके फाइबर्स जो होते हैं वो लॉन्ग शाइनी और सॉफ्ट रहते हैं. इट्स बायोडिग्रेडेबल, ड्यूरेबल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. ये आराम से सॉइल को हार्म नहीं करता, ड्यूरेबल भी रहता है और बहुत ताकतवर भी. थस इट इज़ यूटिलाइज्ड एज अ पैकिंग मटीरियल की तरह इसे यूज़ करते हैं. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ जूट. द कंडीशन नेसेसरी फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ जूट आर एज फॉलोज. सॉइल. जूट ग्रोज बेस्ट इन द एलुवियल सॉइल ऑफ द डेल्टा रीजन्स ऑफ द रिवर्स लाइक गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र. क्लाइमेट. द जूट प्लांट रिक्वायर्स अ वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट टू ग्रो. ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ इज अराउंड 34 डिग्री सेल्सियस and the desired annual rainfall is 150 सेंटीमीटर और मोर. कम से कम 34 डिग्री सेल्सियस उसे चाहिए ग्रो होने के लिए अच्छे से, और 150 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल. सोइंग एंड हार्वेस्टिंग. जूट इज सोन ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन. रेनी सीजन के टाइम हम इसे बोते हैं. When the plant is 3-4 months, it bears yellow flowers. जब 3-4 महीने का प्लांट होता है तो उसमें पीले फूल आने लगते हैं. The stem is cut at the flowering stage because at this stage the stem tender and yields good quality fibers. On maturation, the stem becomes too hard and it is difficult to remove the fiber from it. Retting. The harvested plants are spread in the fields for a few days for drying. Most of the leaves dry and fall off. The dried stalks of jute are tied into the bundles and soaked in water for a few days. This process is called retting. Retting separates the fibers from softening the tissues and between them. Jute fibers are extracted from the retted jute by jerks and pulls of the hand. These fibers are then dried and sent to the mills in bundles where they are woven from yarns of varied thickness. Uses of jutes. As packing material, पैकिंग के लिए यूज होता है जो. For making sacks, बोरे बनाने के लिए. It is also used to produce fancy jute fibers and ornaments. जूट के अलग अलग फाइबर्स फैंसी से बनाने के लिए और ornaments बनाने के लिए. अगला है हमारा wool. Wool is the fiber obtained from the hair of the sheep. Some other animals. Wool obtained from the sheep different from the hair or fur. It has scalps and crimps. Due to scales and crimps, wool can be woven to make fiber. Weaving of wool is known as felting. Wool is fluffy and retains air. Since air is a bad conductor of heat, it has the property of retaining heat. Therefore, clothes made from wool are worn during winter. The woolly coat of a sheep is called fleece. Removal of fleece from a sheep's body is called shearing. Wool sheared of a sheep has a high amount of grease. The grease is generally removed from treating it with detergent and alkali. Wool is packed in bales and sent to mills where it is washed, dried, carded and spun into yarn. Yarn are woven or knitted to produce clothes. Uses of wool. Wool is used for various purposes. Some of the uses of wool are as follows. Making carpets, making clothes for winters, making quilts. रजाइयाँ बनाने के लिए, कारपेट बनाने के लिए और सर्दियों के कपड़े बनाने के लिए. हमारा फिफ्थ है फ्लैक्स. फ्लैक्स इज ऑल्सो अ प्लांट डेट गिव्स नेचुरल फाइबर. द फाइबर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम फ्लैक्स प्लांट आर कॉल्ड फ्लैक्स फाइबर्स और जस्ट फ्लैक्स. The fibers are obtained from the stem of flax plant. The flax fibers are used for making fibers or clothes. The cloth made of stem fibers of flax is called linen. लिनन जो हमारा कपड़ा है, लिनन इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग बेडशीट जो होती हैं आपके गद्दे. Thus it's in addition to cotton, flax plants is also cultivated in fields to obtain fibers for making fabrics. The fibers which are synthesized by man are called synthetic fiber. They are also called artificial or man-made fibers. They are not found in nature. नेचुरल नहीं होते, आर्टिफिशियल होते, इसलिए नेचर में नहीं पाए जाते. मोस्ट ऑफ द सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर एक्चुअली प्लास्टिक ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम पेट्रोलियम. जो सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स होते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो प्लास्टिक से बने होते हैं जो पेट्रोलियम से मिलती हैं हमें. कॉमन सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स इंक्लूड रायन, एसीटेट, नायलन, ट्रिलेन, एक्रिलिक एंड पॉलिएस्टर. ये नाम है सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स के. सो पहला हम पढ़ते हैं रायन. द टर्म रेयन वॉज coined in 1924. 1924 में निकली थी ये टर्म. It is a transparent fiber which is made of processed cellulose, a carbohydrate present in the cell wall of plant cell. Rayon is also called artificial silk. It can absorb water, hence it is comfortable to wear it. It is used for making disposable non-woven fabrics. Tire cord paper. Nylon. Nylon was invented in 1935 by Wallace Catchwas, an American chemicalist at DuPont. Nylon is also known as polyamide (PA). It is synthesized from coal. Nylon fibers was earlier used to make fabrics and ropes. Nylon used for making meat wraps, sausage and shells. ये यूसेज हो गए आपके nylon के. Polyester. Polyester fiber are spun with fibers of cotton, producing a cloth which is wrinkle-free, dries faster than cotton and absorbs sweat. It is available in fluorescent colors. It is thermoplastic. It is used for making stockings, attractive fibers, fabrics, bottles, photographic films and filters. Making of fabrics. The fabrics are made from fibers in the following two steps. Fibers are first converted into yarn by the process of spinning. Fabrics is made from yarn by the process of weaving or knitting. We will now describe the process of spinning of yarn and conversion of yarn into fabric process of weaving or knitting in somewhat detail. Making of yarn from fibers. Yarn is a kind of long twisted head. Yarn is made from the fiber by the process of spinning. It is the process spinning fibers from a mass of cotton, wool or silk, etc. draw out and twisted. This brings the tiny fibers together to form long and twisted, the called yarn. Thus, spinning converts fibers into yarn. We can demonstrate the yarn in spinning wheel. The spinning wheel is called charkha in Hindu. The use of spinning wheel was populated by the father of nation, Gandhiji. As part of the independence government of our country, Mahatma Gandhi encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn. He discouraged people from using imported clothes made in the mills of Britain. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done by using spinning in the machines in mill. The yarn produced by spinning is then used for making fabric. Making of fabrics from yarn. Fabrics are made from yarn by two main processes: weaving, knitting. We will now describe both these processes of making fabrics in detail. one in one. Let us start with weaving. The process of making a fabric by arranging yarn passing in one direction with other yarn at the right angle to them is called weaving. Weaving involves two sets of yarns or arranged right angle to the another. In other words, two sets of yarns are woven in make a fabric. The weaving of yarn to make fabric is done by using looms और इस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं लूम इज कॉल्ड करगा इन दिल्ली हिंदी. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लूम्स, हैंडलूम और आपका दूसरा कौन सा होता है, पावर लूम. हैंडलूम जो हाथ से होता है, पावर लूम जो आप बिजली के द्वारा करते हैं. ठीक है, हाथ कारगा कहते हैं इसलिए, और इसे बिजली कारगा कहते हैं. क्यों कहते हैं, हाथ से हाथ करगा और बिजली से बिजली करगा. Knitting. We have just learned that in weaving, two sets of yarns are used simultaneously to make a fabric. This is not so in knitting. In knitting, a single yarn is used to make fabric. The process of making fabric by interlocking loops of a single yarn with knitting needle or machine is called knitting. जो आपका ये था ऊपर वाले से, उसमें आपने दो यार्न लिए थे, मतलब दो रोल्स. इसमें एक ही रोल लेते हैं और उसे टाई करते चले जाते हैं. ठीक है. knitting is done by hand or also on machines. The simplest example of making fibers by knitting is making a sweater. Sweater knitting से बनता है, बुनना जिसे हम कहते हैं. A sweater is made by the process of knitting. वो भी सिंगल वोवन यार्न, एक ही होता है ना उसमें. ठीक है. और many types of our clothing like socks, vests, vest मतलब बनियान, underwear are made of machines fabric. If we pull a yarn from a pair of our torn socks, we will find that the single yarn comes continuously at the fabric. Socks is unbends. अब जैसे आपकी सॉक्स कोई फट गई है, आप उसका एक धागा खींचोगे तो पूरी खराब हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो पूरे एक ही धागे से बनती है. ठीक है. Weaving and knitting are used for making different kinds of fabrics. These fabrics are then used for making various types of clothes, sweaters, shawls, socks and vests. ये आपका चैप्टर यहाँ पे खत्म होता है, चैप्टर 3.